fear, don't fear. Eat well, my dear.
Take shower! Oh my God! What has he done now?
I'm so proud of you, my lovely son.
I don't like this disgusting sick woman! Throw her out of the house!
Okay.
Can I get any job, please?
No, sorry. You may leave.
Mother, did you enjoy the shopping?
Of course, son. It was wonderful.
Excuse me, please. I need a job.
Mother, do you remember? In the past, she's the one who left me hanging alone on a cliff, and God sent you into my life to save me.
I am so sorry. Forgive me.